Hello everyone, this is Alan Scorpio. In this video, we will go through chapter 2 of the ebook, From Western to Chinese Astrology. This is the content of our discussion, the use of geocentralism model in different astrology systems, the united of different astrology systems and its precedent criteria. The biggest criticism to astrology is not scientific, is the discovery of the fact that Earth rotates around the Sun, but not following a geocentrism model. However, according to the relativity, we look at the physics gravitational force. Both the Earth and the Sun also have the same interactive force acting within them. Also, from the observation results, if assuming the planets are always facing each other, the relative motion position of the planets seen from each other will be the same. Besides, the actual position of the sidereal sides are not so perfect as equal sector in the universe. Especially, we found there were 13 sides in 1930. With addition of the sidereal and the tropical astrology system, all these three are the limitation and real facts which astrology has to do some selection and modification to make a more generalized model of the universe. This is the starting ground of sidereal latitude and remains in geocentrism model. Then, the direction of 12 houses become easy, as the concept of using whole sign and equal houses system, the boundary of the 12 houses are just the boundary of the 12 sidereal signs. Then the tropical system is done. For the sidereal system, which is adopted by Vedic astrology, it also uses whole sign and equal sign houses in division of the 27 moon margins. Thus, the moon margins are merged with the 12 sidereal signs and standard the sidereal and tropical astrology system into one. Both of the equinox may act in sidereal system, as every 72 years only shift about 1 degree. Astrologer and can always adjust them from time to time. Chinese astrology has their 28 moon margins in the sidereal system, which is different than the Vedic astrology. However, due to the transmit of Buddhism astrology, they found it is more convenient to use whole sign and equal sign house system too. The 27 or 28 moon margins are applicable in Chinese astrology, which is with or without the odd margin. Equal sign house tries to turn the eclipsal locus of planets into perfect circle, while the merged house presentation way we introduced is turning 12 houses into 8 places. It was familiar in cutting and compress the 4 edges of the eclipse to make the locus more to be a circle. After all, the different astrology systems about the sidereal moon margins are standardized as one. Chinese astrology then used the sun rolling divisions of 24 equal sectors as solar terms, which it is using the tropical system. At the right side, we can see how the precessions of the equinox act from time to time, which shift the spring equinox. As we have introduced to the moon margins in equal parts, it does help to define the particular time of the sun and the moon in terms of the lunisolar calendar of China. For example, at the first day of every month in the lunisolar calendar, the starting position of the moon are very likely to be at the red circle position. This is a very good application of loading of Vedic astrology in Chinese astrology. They are putting other astrology knowledge into their lunisolar calendar. These pages introduce how Buddhism astrology of Vedic astrology is being turned into Chinese astrology. The rulership, or so-called lordship concept, is transmitted to Chinese astrology. The 27 moon margins were divided into 3 groups, which can be compared with the 9 star. This 9 star forming the life relationships between the Buddhism astrology. Then the traditional 12 houses is merged into micro 8-house system. With the application of some Chinese society cultural and values, it becomes its native products of Buddhism astrology stream at China. As summary, eco and whole sign houses allow the two systems of sidereal and tropical astrology system to equivalent to each other. After putting them on the same table, the techniques of predictions, the definition of the position about the universe, and finding can be shared, which we will introduce the essential deity concepts were being applied in Chinese astrology. Let's meet again in the next video, chapter 2b. See you. Bye bye.